how to add existing roof print to a site plan. So when you open up a site plan, the artificial intelligence recognizes elements on the ground. These are under the layers. By default, property line is enabled, roof footprint is enabled, and tree trunk, in this case, has been disabled. Usually it is enabled. Let's say there was another, so when this is enabled, it will find it. As you see, it will trace it for you. But let's say it wasn't. So I'm going to turn this off. So therefore now you see that the roof is no longer selected. Or maybe there is another roof print on the property that you want to highlight. In that scenario, all you have to do is go to the structures, roof print. You can zoom in if you wish, and all you have to do is trace it. Trace the outline, you can zoom, you can multiple clicks, and as you do, you have now created a new roof footprint. It is as simple as tracing an outline of a structure. You select it, you can select it, you can call it whatever you wish. These objects have a lot of value in your site plan, so you can call it existing house, right? And as you do, it becomes available to you. This is done by artificial intelligence a lot easier, but if you happen to do what I did here, where there is some misalignments, you click once, you click twice, and you can make corrections as you wish. And a little bit more here. So it's as easy as tracing a roof line. That's how you create a new roof line or add a new one to your site plan.